Hadian katu kat nitali ki Jingtwa Khyndew, hakatu kat nitali ki Jaka Jong ke Jala Megalaya. Nakliang Menteri Rang Ba Banrab Jaka Sarkar Jala ubadai pej ka PWD Road Suba Prestone Tensong, ula peloy ke Jialang bar ki he officer jong ni katanat, ban bathai ki paj ba jong ke Jala ban long ki bahusiar bar ki ba fikir. Halo ki Jingkno ba ke Jingtwa Khyndew ha ki thaj penusla ka dei na ka daw jong ka Jingti mau, uba Prestone ula kintai je kani. Hindu lo ong bagani ka la ban dei na ka daw ka Jingpen he ki surok na Jinglong shadaw ki.
Now the road has been just started. I think you must have seen it. Few places the road construction started. Then naturally the landslide will happen. Once the rain starts, that landslide will happen. Because the landslide is right now happening in those portions where the road construction started. So it is not because of the stone quarry, but this is natural during construction of road. That also not only during this time, it happened way back in the year 1999, 20, 21, when widening has taken place right from Livencott up to Lamkate.
Ba Prestone ulo angru ba ki Jingtwa Khyndew kimdei na kadaw jong ki company ki ba pensionai ki surok hindai ki dei na kadaw jong ka Mariang hi bar ki rukom long jong ka lom ka them ha ka Jala Megalaya.
The question of recklessness does not arise. As I said to you, you know well the formation of soil in our state. In any hilly stations, I think you understand, and you know the formation of the soil here in Meghalaya, which is not at all possible for any construction company to be able to reduce the landslide which is happening right now. It's not at all the recklessness of the company, but I'm telling you, the nature itself has created a lot of problem as far as landslide is concerned.